Hi guys, and welcome to our video about the power of artificial intelligence in marketing. If you want to take your business to the next level, you'll want to catch every single episode of this video. AI marketing offers companies incredible opportunities to better understand and interact with their customers, leading to increased revenue and brand loyalty. In this video, we'll look at how AI revolutionizes the marketing landscape and share some tips and strategies for implementing AI marketing in your own business. So let's start.
Have you heard about AI technology's buzz and its impact on the creative world? It's been taking the world by storm, and it's hard not to come across some fantastic AI-generated art. And with the rapid advancements in the field, more and more startups are popping up, eager to bring AI to the masses. One such company making waves is Movio, an AI video creation platform co-founded by Carnegie Mellon alumni Joshua Zhu and Wen Liang. They started the company in December 2020 to make video production accessible and affordable for everyone. And they're on the right track. With a customer base of over 200,000 people and funding of over $9 million from investors like Sequoia Capital, IDG, Gen Fund, and Baidu Ventures, Movio is undoubtedly making a mark. So what's so special about Movio? It's an online video tool that leverages AI technology to help marketers create professional quality videos with text-to-speech avatars in minutes. There is no need for expensive editing, shooting costs, or even prior video editing experience. With Movio, you get everything you need to take your video production to the next level. Storyboarding, ideas, stylish templates, extensive editing capabilities, and professional publishing. And the best part? You can try the service for free. Head to the Movio website and click on the Try Movio for Free button on the home page. No email address or account is required. From there, you can choose from over 200 templates and 80 human avatars to start your video, add your script in the text or audio, and begin using editing tools. You can also upload your images, videos, or music. One of the standout features of Movio is the ability to add a fully customizable human avatar as a spokesperson for your videos. And that's not all. The editing software is also super flexible and easy to use with 20 language options, creative styles, multi-scene video capabilities, unlimited 1080 pixels uploading, and easy video sharing. Now, while you can try out Movio for free, there are limits to the video production time and a watermark will be added. But for $30 per month, the basic plan gives you 10 minutes of video production, unlimited hosting, automatic subtitles, priority video processing, and the branding kit. And for those who need more, there's the Pro plan for $225 a month, offering 90 minutes of video production, everything in the Essentials plan, and access to the API. And if more is needed, Movio also has an Enterprise option that can be customized to fit your needs. In conclusion, Movio is a game changer in the video production world, offering high-quality professional marketing videos at a fraction of the cost and without the need for extensive video editing experience. Although it's still new technology, it's improving every day, and it's worth giving it a shot. Plus, you won't lose anything by trying it out, so why not give it a go and see if it's a perfect fit for your needs? Have you ever heard of Radar? This incredible social media management platform is designed to help small and medium-sized businesses with their online presence. It's like having a personal assistant for all your social media accounts. You won't believe how much easier your life will be with this tool. You see, as a digital marketer, it can take a lot of work to manage multiple social media accounts at once. You have to be a social media butterfly, flitting from one account to another, ensuring each gets the attention it needs. But with Radar, you can focus on other things while it takes care of all your accounts. Radar is packed with features that will make your life so much easier. It has everything from scheduling and posting posts to social media monitoring, analytics, password management, task management, URL shortening, landing pages, RSS feeds, and a shared library. And the best part? It supports all the major social media platforms. One of the standout features of Radar is its URL shortener. It's a game changer for your workflow and makes everything so much simpler. And the password manager is a lifesaver. You'll always remember password again. The only downside is that it still needs to support Pinterest or GMB. But the developers are always listening to their community and adding new features, so who knows, they might add those platforms soon. With Radar, you can plan and schedule content and postings with your colleagues or customers for different social media channels. Once you prepare your content, Radar will automatically publish it to the selected social media channels and accounts on the specified dates or times. And you can track and analyze your social media activity with its analytics feature. It's like having a personal social media analyst. Radar has plans starting at $10 per month for the basic plan, which includes 3 social media accounts. The professional plan is $20 per month and includes 6 social media accounts. And the business plan starts at $60 per month and has 12 social media accounts. It's an investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Customers of Radar are in love with the tool. They say it's one of the most well-designed and easiest to use social media management tools, and the developers are constantly interacting with their community and making improvements, so you know the product will only improve. And here's the best part. For a limited time, you can get lifetime access to Radar for just $59. That's a savings of over 90% off the regular price. This is a deal you want to take advantage of, so don't wait. Get Radar today and make your life as a digital marketer a whole lot easier. Have you ever spent hours brainstorming a creative domain name for your new business only to find that it's already taken? Well, have no fear, because Smartynames.com is here to save the day. This fantastic website is an AI-driven tool that generates unique and catchy domain names for your business in just 20 seconds or less. First of all, the domain name search service offered by Smartynames.com is not only fast, but it's also straightforward to use. You must enter a keyword or phrase related to your business, and the website will generate dozens of domain names ideas available for purchase. You can also use custom filters to narrow down your search and get even more targeted results. If you're looking for something unique, Smartynames.com offers unusual alt TLDs that automatically select relevant alt TLDs for businesses. These can be a great way to stand out from the crowd and make your business even more memorable. And if you're worried about the cost of purchasing a domain name, don't be. Smartynames.com offers premium .coms at regular prices, so you don't have to break the bank to get a great domain name. Plus, with domain availability across 500 extensions, you're sure to find something that works for you. Another great feature of Smartynames.com is that it offers social media handle availability. You can check if the domain name you want is available on popular social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These can be a real lifesaver if you use social media to promote your business. And if you're new to AI, you love the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. These can be a great way to learn about AI and how it's changing our world. One of the things that I love about this website is that it works with trusted partners like Name.com, GoDaddy, and Namecheap to make it easy to find the domain names you're looking for and purchase them directly. And if you're new to the world of AI, you can sign up for the Novice, a publication that describes AI in simple terms and provides examples of fun and easy AI things to do at home. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fast, easy, and affordable way to find the perfect domain name for your business, look no further than Smartynames.com. With its advanced algorithms, unique alt TLDs, and premium features, you're sure to find a domain name that will help your business stand out from the crowd. Have you heard of CopyAI? It's a fantastic tool for content creation. It uses natural language processing and deep learning to automate the content workflow and is available in over 25 languages. That's pretty cool. You can choose from various writing styles and tones depending on your target audience, making it a versatile tool for everyone, from social media managers and marketing agencies to freelance writers and business owners. With more than 90 tools and templates, you're sure to find something that fits your needs. One thing that sets CopyAI apart is its wide range of content templates. You can create anything from digital AD copy to social media posts, e-commerce copy, and YouTube scripts. And it's not just limited to short-form content. You can also use it for generating ideas for long-form content or blog posts. The best part? It's so easy to use. Sign up for an account via email, Google or Facebook, and you'll be good to go. You'll even get 100 credits with each check costing 1 credit and generating 10 offers. That's enough to get a feel for the platform and see how accurate it is. When you're ready to create content, simply click on the template you want, enter your brand name and product description, and click Create Copy. It's that simple, and if you need to change the language, just go to the top right corner and select your preferred language. All your previous projects will be conveniently located in the top left corner, making it easier to manage your content creation. CopyAI even comes with a Chrome extension, so you can use it while working on other apps like Google Docs or Gmail. And if you're worried about plagiarism, the premium account includes a plagiarism checker feature. There is no need to sign up for another tool. CopyAI has covered you. The only downside is that the plagiarism checker is only available with a premium account. Otherwise, CopyAI is a fantastic tool for content creation. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting, it's worth checking out. Have you heard about Memorable Ad Maker? It's the fantastic tool that's going to revolutionize the way we create ads. It's an AI-based platform that uses a technology called Creative Intelligence Suite to help marketers create impactful advertisements that are optimized for marketing KPIs, not just photorealism. Think about it. You can now create an ad with just a simple description. Or if you're feeling stuck, the ad tip guide is there to provide some inspiration. And if you want to go extra mile, the booster feature lets you choose from a selection of sample ads to give you that extra push. But that's not all. The tool even gives you predictions on how well your ad is going to perform. It predicts memorability potential, attention in context, engagement potential, and distinctiveness. And you don't have to worry about the quality of the final product. All ads are produced in high definition, with either 8K or 4K resolution options. Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that stands out from the crowd. It's not just a simple image generator, but an AI-powered platform that takes into consideration the marketing goals and KPIs of each ad. And let's be honest, in today's competitive market, it's all about creating ads that are not just visually appealing, but also memorable and impactful. You might be wondering, how do I use the tool? Well, it's super easy. You can input a description of the ad you want, upload an image, or use the ad cues guide. And the best part, you can create all sorts of ads, from high-quality photos of groceries to smartwatches, from smoothies to vases. The possibilities are endless. And the early adopters of this technology love it. Bauti Bariso, a marketing professional, says, "As someone who focuses on efficiency and ROI, I have to say this tool is a game changer. Even if you don't end up using the image, you can test ideas in seconds and see if it improves your performance." And Katrina K is just as thrilled. "I'm fascinated with AdMaker because it's not only a robust text-to-image generator, but also a mechanism to analyze those images for impact. It's a great AI-based tool for brainstorming and testing ideas before they go into production." In conclusion, Memorable Ad Maker is a tool that should be on every marketer's radar. It's AI-powered, user-friendly, and helps improve the final product's creative process, performance predictions, and quality. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for early access and see how it can help you create impactful ads and achieve your marketing goals.